Hello and welcome to CSUL Learning Series. Today we are going to focus on Chart of Accounts in Climax Shipping Ultimate. A chart of accounts is an organized listing of all accounts used by a business to record financial transactions. It categorizes assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses, providing a systematic structure for tracking financial activities and creating financial statements. Each account in the chart of account is assigned a unique code or number for easy identification and reference. Let's explore this crucial topic within the context of Climax Shipping Ultimate. First, we are going to observe the structure of chart of accounts in CSUL, and then we will see how to add a new account head in chart of accounts. Let's log in to start this process. From the dashboard, you can find chart of accounts using the search option above navigation bar, or you can select it from navigation menu by clicking GL and then Setup. On the left side of this screen, you will find the list of all 5 major account types like assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expense. Each account type and account head has a unique identification number. On the top of this list, you can find breadcrumbs mentioning current and above level of account heads. There are 5 main categories, and the beginning number of every account head represents its main category. For example, account number starting with number 1 belongs to assets, number 2 is liability, and so on and so forth. You can search any account head in chart of accounts using search option available on the top right corner of screen. On the left side of every item in the list, you will find 3 icons. First, the trash can is for deleting that particular record. The pencil icon helps you to edit any existing record. And the last one, showing 2 arrows, helps you to move any account head to any other category. Changing account categories is simple. Just click on the 2 arrows icon, click on dropper icon, or enter in New Parent Account field to select the new parent account head, and click Update button. Now we will add a new chart of accounts category and then a new account under that new category. First, select that main account from the list on the left. Click on the plus icon on the top right of the list. The level of account you will select in Accounts Level List will be the parent of new account category or the head. Clicking on plus icon will open the category or account addition form. You will notice that the account level you have selected in the accounts list on the left is already into parent account field. Now, enter the name of your new account category into the title of account field. Here I am adding a new category name, Marketing Expense. As it is an expense, you might have already noticed that account code number is starting from number 5. The next field is alias. It's optional. You can add any easy-to-remember alias for this category here. Checking Allow Voucher Entry checkbox will enable users to use this field in voucher entries. We are not going to check this right now, as we are adding a category here. Clicking on the next checkbox could make this account head or category active or inactive. By default, every category or account head is active. We can make this inactive by checking this box. A category can hold its child accounts. In this field, we set a limit for maximum number of child accounts in this category. The next drop-down is for selecting the main account category, which is expense in our case. The subcategory field remains inactive for account types that do not allow voucher entries. The next field is for selecting P&L or profit and loss category. This field is used to define where a specific account or category will appear in the profit and loss statement. Here's what each option means. None. This means the account or category will not be included in the profit and loss statement. Cost of goods sold represents direct costs associated with producing or purchasing the goods you sell. GP, or gross profit, refers to accounts that affect gross profit, typically related to revenue or direct costs. NP, or net profit, refers to accounts that affect net profit, including indirect expenses and overheads. According to these definitions, our account category market and expense falls under the NP category, so we will select it here. The reference number and user-defined fields are completely optional, and their use depends on the organization's specific accounting system. We are leaving them blank here. Additionally, the company selection checkbox is optional in this scenario, so we are leaving it blank as well. Finally, review all the fields and click the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will save your form and take you back to the list. You will notice that your category is successfully added into the categories under Main Account, Type, Expense. Now let's begin adding a new account head under the newly added category, Market and Expense. To add a new account head, select the parent account from the left collapsible accounts and categories list, then press the plus sign button in the top right corner. You will notice that the account category selected before clicking the plus button will automatically appear in the parent account field. An account code has also been provided in the relevant field, starting with the number 5, which indicates that it belongs to the expense account type. Now provide the title of the account, which in our case is Advertise and Expense. You can leave the alias field blank, but you need to check the Allow Voucher Entry checkbox this time. You will notice that as soon as we check Allow Voucher Entry, the subcategory field becomes available and the Max Child Account field gets disabled. The parent account category will remain the same, which in our case is Expense. In the subcategory, you need to select the relevant account type for your account head. We are selecting Other Expenses from the list. From the Profit and Loss category drop-down, select the same category, NP, that we chose when creating its parent category. The rest of the fields are optional and may vary on a case-by-case basis. You will notice that this time the company name is already checked. Again, review your entries before you save, and then click Save button on top. Saving will take you back to the list where you can find your newly added account head under this new category. Thank you very much.